Hey guys, it's Heather. I am here making my Cool Mint chocolate bath bombs that go with my Cool Mint chocolate soaps. And hopefully you guys have already seen the making of these. I am not sure yet what order I'm going to put all of these up in because I have been helping my parents out. Their house caught fire and we've been dealing with that recently. So things have been a little up in the air. Let me grab my milk powder. And this is goat's milk. I like using goat's milk and powdered milk in my bath bombs. It adds a nice foam. SCI, which is baby foam, or sodium lauryl bentane, is also a good thing to use to make foam. Cocoa B, which is a similar thing to Laurel. Let me clean this up since I had to open a new one. I also, because I'm using my press, have to change my recipe a teeny bit in the way that I do it, in the direction that I do things. Okay. I am putting cream of tartar in this batch. Lay that out. I'm confirming all my weights and measurements if you hear paper moving. Mixture of sea salts. That I am using. Fine, medium, and coarse grain. I tend to like medium grain sea salt the best, but I am not using Epsom salt in this one because this is going to be my primary holiday bath bomb and I want it to be really special. So I want it to have the different consistencies and textures of the salt. And I'm also going to top it with Epsom salt that has been coated with different colors of cocoa and Micas. Okay, now what I'm going to do before I put my citric acid in, and if you guys see the dust, it's because I was making other bath bombs before this. And I'm making these green for the mint and topping them with what looks like chocolate. And I'm going to pour in a little bit of colorant at a time. I'm going to stir this in, make sure I'm getting everything nice and coated with the colorant. As you can see some's down at the bottom. I don't know, can you, yeah, you guys can see that. Because of the fire, I am having to do a lot of different things on the same days and kind of work around things. So, like I said, I don't know when each video is going to go up for you guys, but I'm going to try really hard to get them all up and running for you. I know I've missed a couple of videos, and I don't mean to. It's just things have been extremely busy, and I want to make sure my parents are okay. Okay, have that mixed in. Now I'm going to add in my citric acid. Pour this in. Okay, a little bit more. Alright, that's the first half. A little bit more for the second. And there's my citric acid. The reason I do the citric acid after I've blended in the color to the other ingredients is I don't want a reaction. I do not want the citric acid to begin actually having the bath bomb fizzy reaction. Okay. And let me scrape my sides. Oops. Okay, let me, oops, there we go. I want to stir it a little bit, check the consistency. I am not even going to need to use any witch hazel in this one at all because it's nice and firm all on its own. Okay guys, we'll be back and I'll change the camera angle so that we can see the molding better. Okay guys, this is a new direction. I'm not sure if this is going to work. I don't think it's going to work, but we're going to try it. We're going to try it and see, and if it doesn't work, then I will move you and see what happens, because I want you guys to be able to get a good view, but I also don't want the camera in the way, so it's kind of a weird spot for me. Okay, I have my mixture here, I have my molds here, and my little chocolate bits, or what I'm calling my chocolate bits. It's actually a little bit of cocoa, a little bit of mica in mocha brown, and I believe cocoa brown or, oh, bronze brown. I'm putting it on both sides. I'm just going to fill it up. Drop it in and fill it up. I am already making a mess, you guys. I don't know what my deal is. Lack of sleep. Yes, I do know what my deal is. It's called lack of sleep. Sprinkle that on the top. Make it pretty. Stay here with this over the top of it. Just like that. And press. I want to make sure that I'm getting dead center so that it presses really well. Okay. Take this little guy and press. Ooh, ooh, that looks good. That looks really good. Okay, I'm going to kind of get some of that off. And let me, oh, alright you guys, this one turned out really pretty. And I am going to set them over here on my little foam pad, and we'll just keep going. Okay guys, that's it for the Cool Mint Chocolate Bath Bombs. I hope you liked it. This is Heather from HMP Artistry, wishing you luck, love, and a really great day. Bye guys.